Hi, this is Brad Siff. I'm the founder and president of BioWave. I'd like to invite you to see our 11th webinar. It's on our silver Back BioWrap wearable compression electrode garment technology. It's a wonderful tool that you can use to really help your patients manage their lumbar, thoracic, or sacral pain. This device allows you to treat 5 times the volume of tissue as compared to conventional electrodes, and it provides compression simultaneously while allowing the delivery of our high-frequency neurostimulation technology into deep tissue. I look forward to seeing you.